Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy or host your Vue project, Vue.js project using Netlify for free. So first of all, go to the Netlify. So type here Netlify and hit enter. And here you will find first link. Here you can see push your ideas to the web. So click here Netlify. So here you can see currently we are in netlify.com. So click here sign up to create an account. I already create my account. Here you can see this is the reason actually it's showing me the control panel. So if you don't have the account, I mean you have to actually create it. Okay. So we'll actually click here add new project and we'll actually select this option deploy manually. Now here drag and drop your project or folder. So we'll actually go to the project directory. So this is my project. So I'll go inside my project and here you have to actually have this folder dist. So if you don't have this folder, you just have to open cmd from here, open cmd and type here npm run build. Okay, then hit enter, then it will actually create this folder. After that, you have to actually add this folder. So just drag and drop the folder here, and here you can see uploading. So don't refresh your project, and here we have option. Here you can see now it turns into green. Okay, so now you have to actually select here quick setup, and here we have to give project name, and here you can give any name. Okay, so let's say I want to say here test view. Okay, and here we will actually select upload project name, and update project. Okay, and after that we will click here finish later, and here we have to now open this in a new tab, and here you can see this is my project.